welcome back, and today I'm gonna talk about attributes. There are lang, scr, alt, class, and id. There are other attributes than that, but today we are only discovering about 5 of them. Let's start by making a document. Next, we are going to write this HTML. There's one attribute in HTML. It is lang, lang attribute. There are also attributes like type and type and for. But these two are also going to discover in this video. So first write HTML lang equals to language with English. English. Don't forget to close with it. Next so the whole document will be written in English. Next we're gonna do is add a body. We're gonna skip the header tag for now. And for the body, we're gonna write style scr. Bro, if scr means a source, so if you write sir with your style attribute name, just write style.css. But now I don't have any style attribute, so I'm not gonna put it. There is for source attribute also, and script also includes this sir attribute. Sir attribute make it more easier. We also have is we are gonna do with img image with the source attribute. So the image, so I'm just gonna write logo.jpn. It will display the logo. So these are called the void elements. Close it with these commas because you don't need them. You don't need to add them. It's just optional. So there is also a lt. By the way, if you're gonna use source attribute, don't forget to write dot. Okay, dot with the file type, it is JPN, so write JPN. And also alt equals, if your Wi-Fi is not that good, it will display this text. So I'm gonna write logo. Yes. I'm just telling you this won't be displayed since you don't have any files like this in your folder. If you want to save like these, just create a folder, put your HTML document in it with the picture you chose it. So now we are gonna do is input type. There's a type attribute. So type is used for some input types like range, text, and number. There are other things like image, search, but I'm just gonna talk about type. So I'm just gonna add email. I'm just only gonna talk some about type. Next we have is the for. Yep, the for. Don't forget to close it. Next we're gonna talk about is the for attribute. The for attribute is with the label. Label for the ID. So there's also the ID attribute. Beware, ID cannot be overlapped or else it won't work. So ID equals to T. Just write the ID that you can recognize. For T. For declares an ID, but for it's only used for labels. So do not mix with that, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna talk more about ID and class. So for label, for that, we just have to write a name like email. Don't forget to close it. That is not a void element, so don't forget to close it. Next, we're gonna add is href. Yeah, href. It is for links, so write an A element, href. So I'm just gonna open my Microsoft, then add a link. I'm just gonna add one of my videos. So go to YouTube, then select your videos. Okay, I'm just gonna write YouTube, copy it, then paste it. This is YouTube official website. Right to the display, it will display in purple, so I'm just gonna write click me. Don't forget to close it. Next we're gonna do is the link. So link with the rel. So link, it is used for CSS. So we're gonna write style sheet. And then we're gonna write href for the CSS, like style.css. I'm just gonna talk about link in the future videos, so stay tuned, everybody, stay tuned. Okay, so next we have is the class. Class and ID has a big difference. So class, you can add more than one to the class, but ID can only be one. For in the style, for class, write the dot and the class name. For the ID, write a sub and the class name. In the ID name. So that is some about attributes explained in just 8 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos about HTML tutorials. Have a good day. Bye.